Guys, today I have come up with nomenclature of haloalkanes and haloarenes. You know, I have come here in the sunlight on the terrace and I have covered my head portion with a clothing because there's a marriage ceremony near the residency, and so they have been playing the music, they have been playing the loud songs continuously. That's why I've come here. But but if the voice, if again the noises come, please ignore that, please ignore that. I know it caused disturbance, so that's why I told that there's so much, I mean so much chaos around us that we are not able to concentrate what's needed in our lives. So without any further delay, let's start it. And first of all, I'll read the NCERT lines in 2x speed. Okay, just listen it. See, nomenclature part. Having learnt the classification of halogenated compounds, let us now learn how these are named. The common names of alkyl halides are derived by naming the alkyl group followed by the name of halide. In the IUPAC system of nomenclature, alkyl halides are named as halo-substituted hydrocarbons. For monohalogen substituted derivatives of benzene, common and IUPAC names are the same. For dihalogen derivatives, the prefixes ortho, meta, para are used in common system. But in IUPAC system, as you have learnt in class 11, unit 12, the numerals 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4 are used. C. CS3, CS2, CS2Br, common name N-propyl bromide. IUPAC name 1-bromopropane. CH3, CHCl, CH3 isopropyl chloride, 2-chloropropane. Then this is CH3, CH3, CH2Cl. This is isobutyl chloride. You know why it is iso? Why it is iso? Because on the second last carbon, there is a methyl group. This particular is called iso group, and it is iso. And butyl, it is called butyl since 4 carbon are present here. 1, 2, 3, 4 total. So isobutyl chloride. And IUPAC name 1-bromopropane. See, as I told earlier, IUPAC names are the halo substituted hydrocarbons. So see, this is the hydrocarbon. H is replaced by bromo group, halo group. So 1-bromopropane. This is again 2-chloropropane. This is C. Starting from here, 1-chloro. Then 1, 2 methyl and propane. 1, 2, 3. That long chain is 2-methyl propane. 1-chloro, 2-methyl propane. See, I am making you all understand in 2x speed because there's so much chaos around us.